Most people think buying a supercar is one of the worst financial decisions you can make. They say, the moment you drive it off the lot, you lose money. And yeah, if you buy the wrong supercar, that's true. But here's the secret the rich already know. A small group of supercars don't go down. They go up in value. Some have doubled, some have tripled. Some outperform stocks, gold, real estate, even crypto. In today's video, I'm breaking down why the ultra-wealthy treat certain supercars like investments, how these cars appreciate, and which models are actually going up right now, especially in the US, UK, and Dubai markets, where demand is crazy high. Let's get into it. For 99% of people, a car is a liability. You buy it, it drops. Then it keeps dropping every year. But investment-grade supercars are a different universe. They're essentially rolling art, limited production assets, global luxury collectibles, and financial hedges for wealthy buyers. Rich people are not buying these cars because they love speed. They're buying them because they know rare assets hold value. And supercars follow the same rule as rare watches, art, and jewelry. To understand why certain cars appreciate, you need to understand the framework collectors use. Here are the 5 big factors wealthy buyers look at. 1. Production numbers. Scarcity equals value. This is the biggest one. If a car has 500 units, 300 units, or less than 100 units worldwide, it becomes a collectible the moment it's announced. Why? Because there are millions of wealthy buyers globally, but only a few hundred cars available. This is why cars like the Koenigsegg Jesko, Bugatti Divo, and LaFerrari skyrocketed. 2. Engine type, the end of an era. Collectors love last-of-their-kind engines. Cars rise in value when they have a technology that will never return. Last W16, Bugatti Chiron, last Pure V, 12 from Lamborghini, Aventador SVJ, last roaring V8s from Ferrari or AMG. Once that era ends, demand goes up because there will never be another engine like it again. Electric and hybrid systems are replacing them, and that makes the old ones museum pieces. 3. Brand heritage, the Big Four. There are 4 investment-approved brands in the supercar world: Bugatti, Ferrari, Porsche, Koenigsegg. These brands have decades of historical wins, engineering breakthroughs, and global collector trust. A rare Ferrari will always be easier to resell than a rare car from a small unknown brand. That trust equals higher long-term value. 4. Design plus emotion plus story. Collectors buy emotion, they buy history, they buy the story behind the car. Cars go up in value when they have a legendary designer, a unique aerodynamic shape, a record fastest, most powerful, rarest, a strong emotional connection for fans. For example, the Porsche 918. Spider wasn't just fast, it was Porsche's first hybrid hypercar. That alone makes it valuable forever. 5. Documentation plus mileage. Condition is everything. 2 identical supercars can be worth totally different numbers. Why? Because collectors pay big for low mileage, first owner records, no accidents, original parts, full service history, matching numbers. This is why rich people store their cars in climate-controlled garages. They're protecting the value. Here are the current winners based on US, UK, and Dubai auction results, collector demand, and global price trends. To 1. Bugatti Chiron, especially Per Sport, Super Sport, and 300 plus. The W16 is ending forever. Bugatti is moving into hybrid V8s. Collectors know this. That's why prices are already creeping upward. 2. Ferrari LaFerrari, only 499 units made. Hybrid plus V12. Collectors consider it the most complete hypercar of its era. Auction prices show it still rising year after year. 3. Porsche 918 Spider. Porsche's first hybrid hypercar. Very balanced, very usable, extremely desirable in US and UK markets. It's almost impossible to find one under $1.8 million now. 4. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. The last pure V12. Lambo without hybrid technology. That alone guarantees long-term appreciation. Collectors love end-of-an-era cars, and this is one of the biggest endings in automotive history. 5. McLaren P1, part of the Holy Trinity, LaFerrari 918 P1, hybrid hypercar, aggressive design, incredibly rare. Each year, the price inches closer to $3 million. For wealthy people, these cars do two jobs. Job 1, store value. They protect money during inflation, currency crashes, stock market drops, global uncertainty. Luxury assets hold value better than cash. Job 2, lifestyle plus status. Unlike stocks, a supercar gives you enjoyment status networking opportunities, brand influence, and access to exclusive owners' clubs. It's not just a financial asset, it's also a lifestyle asset. That combination is why the rich love them. Should you buy one too? You don't need millions to apply this wisdom. Here's what anyone can do. Look for cars that have limited editions, special trims, last generation engines, strong brand trust, clean documentation. These cars depreciate slower, and some eventually become collectibles. Even buying a special edition BMW M, AMG, or Porsche GT car can be smarter than buying the base model. Because even at a smaller scale, the rule is the same. Scarcity always wins. If you want more videos that mix cars, money, and luxury lifestyle, make sure you subscribe, because I've got something big coming next. Stay fast, stay legendary. Walterlotus.